I'm sorry, what did you say? You trying to tell me something? What's the story? Hi, Joe. Ah, what's the story? Are you excited because Sister's up in bed and you're still down here? It's early, but you're awake and she's not. What? What's all? Oh, really? What? What? No kidding. Ah. Ah. Can you do your bear noise? Show Mommy how you growl. Rah. Do one. Do one for me. Rah. You can do it. Oh, that was a gentle bear. I want a mean, scary bear. Ready, bear? Rah. Okay, you do it. That was a little one, but that was pretty good. Can I get a big one? Rah. Where's my big bear? Rah. Big bear. Rah. We gotta work on that. We gotta practice those roars. Yeah. Here, listen, listen. Like the lion. What's your favorite noise? Oh! Was that was Max. Silly Max. What? Get out of town. Oh. Guess what's on tonight? Our favorite show, Parking Wars. Yes. Woohoo! The show about tattletales. Yay. Woo! Can you have kisses? Hey. I love you. Oh, right. Get me out of the chair, Ma. Ah. Hi. Woo! Oh. Malcontent. I can take the hint. Ooh, hi. All right, we're done.